pag-usapan yung video?
General politics, yung change in Senate leadership, future plans, and everything else. Yung impeachment din. Pero bukod doon, mostly casual conversation siya.
Senator Bato po sa loob? Kamusta naman sa loob?
Very good. Very good. Good mood naman. And very high spirit.
Alright, and then, kung, di ba kanya sabi nyo, parang di ba kayo ganun super close ni Senator Bato, pero kayo ay allies.
Yes.
And, kamusta yan? Tingin, di ba medyo...
Yeah, very good. We're friends. We're friends now. I support Senator Bato and I congratulate him on the change of Senate leadership.
Tingin niyo saan po tutungo itong pag-aantay niya sa loob ng Senate? Saan kaya darating to or ano yung mga magiging end game nitong kanyang pag-wait sa loob ng custody ng Senate?
Wala mang endgame yung endgame ng change of leadership or yung endgame ni Senator.
Saan kaya siya, possible ba na makalabas siya ng Senate custody or paano kaya yung sinasabing arrest warrant ng ICC?
Regarding sa arrest warrant ng ICC, specifically regarding sa case ni Senator Bato, it's a very messy situation kasi yung daming iba-ibang mga information that there's plenty of different information that's circulating online, so hindi namin alam po, well, as for me personally, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging plano dito or even kung ano yung specific arrest warrant or kung ano yung jurisdiction ng ICC regarding dito. And whether or not there's also Senate protection, there's inability to perform an arrest on Senate grounds or during session. So sobrang, I think it's more of a legal issue that I'm not capable of answering.
Kung bukod sa pangungumos na pagkain nyo ng sabay ni Senator Bato, ano ba pong dahilan ng pagbisita nyo po sa Senate?
Wala, I was just around the area and I wanted to say hi. Yun lang. You don't need a reason to visit an ally or a friend. Ano, para na, ha?
Nag-share po ba si Senator ng kanyang how he's handling itong kanyang parang, di ba gusto niya sanang nagkano sa repetition sa Supreme Court, tama po ba?
Petition sa Supreme Court?
For the, yung sa kanyang ICC, ano po ba? Paano niya na-handle ngayon?
No, we did not discuss anything about the Supreme Court or that. Hindi namin masyadong napag-usapan yung ICC. It's mostly about the change in Senate leadership and tapos na lang din.
Kumusta po ang Crocodile Farm?
Very chaotic doon. Nagbunuhan bago magkaroon ng change in Senate leadership. So ngayon, hindi na alam ng mga congressman kung matutuloy yung impeachment or kung may mangyayari dito. It's a very volatile situation.
Pero may detalye ba kayo sa binabagay ni Senator Ivy na parang may mga kongresista raw na nabigyan ng parang million pesos para dapat sa impeachment?
Pero very common naman yung mga ganun eh. So, we're just waiting for the evidence to release itself.
So wala pa tayo info.
Wala pa masyado. I think the information will be coming from a different source, not from me.
Crucial yung vote ni Sen Bato para talagang maging karoon ng change of leadership. Ano yung napag-usapan niyo about the change of leadership? Very hopeful ba siya sa bagong liderato po ngayon sa Senate? Kamusta po yung napag-usapan niya about the change of leadership sa Senate?
It's not regarding the future of the Senate leadership, but I wish them well that it's about kung paano nangyari yun and yung sa botohan, everything. And also how the other senators not really orchestrated kasi yung iba hindi yan ang iba alam and it's just a good thing that happened. But outside of that, walang masyado napag-usapan on the future plans of Senate President Cayetano was not. I did not get to talk to him there.
Overall lang po, sa tingin niyo po ba, uusad ba niya yung impeachment sa Senate? Sa Senate po.
Sa Senate?
Uusad ba niya?
Okay. Actually, kahit na natiling Senate President si Tito Soto, I don't think that the Senate would actually be able to impeach Vice President Sara Duterte because yung 16 votes, it's a very impossible number, especially considering the issues at hand na same issues lang siya sa 2025. So, naging repetitive na siya eh. So, we're not really expecting anything different from this year compared to last year.
Ano masasabi niyo po regarding sa action ng NBI sa pagpahuli kay Senator Bato?
Yung sa NBI,
Yes,
yung
NBI,
pagpasok
sir.
nila tapos
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lalo na yung binagbog yung isa sa Sergeant at Arms. Ano po masasabi mo sa ginawa nilang action regarding po kahapon?
actually parang gulo na din yun since yung NBI ngayon, di ba may trending din na ano yun yung direct threat issue
Yes.
from the NBI chief. So very parang gulo na ng ganong sitwasyon. But I commend the Senate for doing its job and for keeping the session stable during that
Sa
time.
tingin mo, Pagop, na ang NBI sinunod na ang due process of law sa ginawa nila kahapon?
That's for the courts to decide. It's not for me, but pero from my perspective, yung ganong klaseng move, parang hinahabol mo yung senator habang may session, it's a very
So,
I don't assume that's a proper legal process. Pero it depends on their defense on that.
regarding naman po kay Trillanes, kung di ba wala naman siyang
Yes.
tungkulin dyan sa Senado, bakit po siya nakakapasok na ganun kaisi at siya po may dala ng warrant? Ano masasabi mo sa ginagawa niyang paninira ngayon? Hindi lang to ano yung ang bansa kundi bilang Pilipino,
Yes.
di ba? Nasisira din ang dangal ng bawat Pilipino. Ano masasabi mo kay Trillanes po? Kasi kami gigil na sa kanya Di
Si
totoo.
Trillanes talaga, hindi ko na alam ko talaga kung ano yung ginagawa niya or what his role actually is. If I remember correctly, tumakbo siyang mayor ng Caloocan.
Yes.
Caloocan last 2025. Tapos natalo and then now nagsaserve na siya ng ICC arrest warrant. I don't, hindi ko alam kung like, if that's the process of the ICC, siya yung designated person to serve the warrant by the ICC and sobrang gulo na talaga.